Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through a seated flexion exercise. So placing your hands between the knees, you're just going to let the head and shoulders relax as you slowly bring the hands down to the floor. When you get as far down as you can, breathing out on the way down, you're going to take some resistance or take some load through the hands. If you can't quite get to the floor, you can stack some books down at the appropriate level, or you can use a step. So at that point, you're going to be relaxing through the shoulders and the hands. You may need to bend your elbows to get to the right height, where you are getting a stretch in the lower back, but you're not feeling pain or discomfort there. Okay, so I'm going to take this one out for now. So you're going to take some of the weight through the hands, and as you come down, you're going to arch through the back and take 3 deep breaths at the bottom. So you're going to breathe into this area through the ribs, through the back of the ribs, through the upper back. Okay, so you take your 3 breaths there through the nose, slow breaths. You're going to prepare to move. So you're going to start to push through the arches as if you've got half an orange through there, and you're going to preload that so that you're taking pressure through the feet now. And then as you breathe in, you're going to push through the feet and roll up through the back. So breathing in the whole way up and then straightening. Okay, so as you come down, you're breathing out. And then when you get to the bottom, you're taking your 3 full breaths in and out. Each time you breathe out, you'll be able to just drop down further into that movement. And then after you've done your 3 full breaths down in that lower position, you're going to push through the feet and come back up while you're breathing in. You'll do that 3 times. 3 breaths at the bottom, 3 times a day.